Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to make Kheeraj. It's a very popular rice pudding dish. I soaked about a quarter cup of rice overnight. Crush the rice in a blender with a little bit of milk. You don't want to make it powder, just crush it enough. Sorry, I lost the footage for that. Pour half and half milk in your pot. And as a note, I always keep this pot just for my dessert. I don't make curries and all that in this pot. It's a separate pot for all my dessert. Bring the milk to a boil. Keep stirring it. I have a special wood stir just for dessert items. And so keep stirring it, and once it comes to a boil, at this point, add the crushed rice, which again I lost the footage for. Meanwhile, let's prepare saffron. Crush a little bit of it over ice cubes and let it melt at room temperature. So preferably do this process before you start anything so you have enough time to melt. And this process is called infusing or blooming. This is the most authentic way to slowly release the maximum color and flavor. Let's not forget our milk and keep on stirring and make sure that it's not sticking at the bottom. I'm cooking this on medium-low heat. I'm going to chop up some pistachios and almonds in a chopper. I have a separate chopper for my dessert items. I don't want to mix it with the other spices. In the same chopper, I'm going to crush some cardamoms. Freshly ground cardamoms are so aromatic. Go back to the milk and stir. At this point, it's been cooking for about 45 minutes. Ready to put in the saffron, and you can see the beautiful color. A little bit of ice was still left, so I took that out before putting the saffron in the milk. Keep stirring the milk. At this point, it's been cooking for about an hour and a half. I'm going to go ahead and add in the cardamom and the nuts. I add the sugar, and again, the theme has been keep on stirring. You want to make sure it's not sticking at the bottom. And just keep on cooking and reducing the milk. I cooked for about 2.5 hours, and the milk had reduced tremendously and the rice had thickened. And here's what it looks like towards the end. My family loves thick Kheeraj, but if you prefer a lighter version, you could stop the cooking earlier on. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Very easy and very tasty. Thank you for watching.